Yes! Woo! Welcome to an episode of the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech review, and tech tutorials. And today's episode, I'm super excited that I finally reached 100 subscribers. Actually, I just checked. I got 101 subscribers. That's awesome. And I just want to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel and supporting the work I've done. It's been a bit of a grind. I'm still trying to get used to creating a YouTube channel. I have 52 videos out there, and from the first video to the new video, I actually have seen the progress come along, and some of the videos have reached over 1,000 views, and one video has reached over 7,500 views. And to me, that's pretty huge that there's people watching my content. So thank you for all your support. I deeply appreciate it, and I'm gonna continue to grind and continue to keep pushing out content. But today's video is gonna be a tutorial on what to do after you get 100 subscribers on YouTube. The one thing that I just found out is you can have your own custom URL link for YouTube after you reach 100 subscribers, and I'm now eligible to do that. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to do that and set that up in YouTube for you. So for those of you who are about to reach 100 or have already received 100 but didn't realize that you can have a custom URL link, please check out the tutorial. And without further ado, let's get to it. Here is my YouTube channel, The Wong Reviewer. In case you don't know, I do tech unboxing and reviews. I do tech tutorial and builds. I'm going to do photography and videography tips and photo gear reviews. It's kind of cool. This channel is about some of the hobbies I like to do. And I try to do 2 new videos weekly, 1 tutorial and 1 product review. Just a quick overview of all the videos that I have done. I really started taking YouTube seriously back in November, and as you can see, I've been pumping out 2 to 3 videos a week since then. It's taken a bit of time for me to grow. I think I'm still trying to learn, but it's been a big change from my first video to my latest video, and I think the videography is a lot better, the editing is a lot better, so it's a learning process. But again, I reached 101 subscribers, which makes me eligible for a custom URL link, and thank you again for your support. I'm going to click on the channel, click settings, and then I'm going to go to channel status and features, and I'm going to click custom URL. It says you're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. Eligible, nice. Click here. And then it says you're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. So I'll click here. For the latest updates, we're just in, okay, get a custom URL link. It says, so you have to have at least 100 subscribers, but at least 30 days old, have uploaded photos, a photo icon, and have uploaded channel art, which I have met this eligibility. So I'm going to click on this. Get a custom URL. I'm going to say The Wong Reviewer. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to say I have read and agreed to the custom URL. Just for the sake of it. YouTube channel may have 1 custom URL prior. Okay, I'm going to go back. Change URL. Oops. Click I have read, which you proved I did. Change URL. Confirm choice. And open a new tab. Yes, and there you go. So youtube.com, The Wong Reviewer. Having my own URL link is going to give me an opportunity to have some branding and marketing, especially when I start designing my own website using Wix to promote some of my content. And that's it. And I am super pumped. And again, thank you guys for your support. All right, so that was a quick and easy tutorial on how to get a custom URL link for your YouTube channel once you reach 100 subscribers. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. I do enjoy making this content, and I plan to make much more. My next goal is to reach 500 subscribers. And on that note, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel for similar content. Thank you for watching, and until next time.